Hey girl, hey, welcome back to OMG & Co, also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. I'm doing a quick video today on my phone, so I won't be too long. I just wanted to say hello to everyone and thank you all for supporting my business. On tomorrow, September 17th at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the fall scrunchies will launch. Yes, fall scrunchies, 48 lovely fall mini and XXL scrunchies. A lot of them are limited edition, so once they're sold, they're gone. But tonight, the day before the lunch, I still have things to do. So if you're wondering why I didn't post any videos this week, it's because I've been working on trying to finish up my scrunchies. Here's a box here that I have sewn the casings for, and I still have to add elastic. I have quite a few of them already done, stocked on the shelf and in bins. So I still have a few more. I have a few more casings to sew so that I can put elastic in. So it seems like it's going to be a long night, and I wanted to come on here and apologize for not posting like one of my longer videos, but I've been doing mini shorts this week. So I hope I can get some support from some of you lovely subscribers. And yeah, I made my video, same outfit for tomorrow. So I'll be saying good morning, but it's actually being shot today on Friday, but you get the drift of what's going on. So I just wanted to make the announcement. I think I want to do a few giveaways. Don't know what I'm giving away yet, but I'm going to give something away. I always give stuff away. So I hope to see you all tomorrow. Free shipping to the US. 48 new scrunchies. If you haven't seen the scrunchies, you can go on the fall Scrunchie Launch video to see some of the scrunchies. I've named all of them now. So that's about it. Yeah, have some earrings that will be launching tomorrow. I actually have to take photos of those tomorrow. So for the most part, just giving you an update. For the most part, mostly everything's done except for the earrings. I still have a few earrings to make, and I have to do the earring photos, and then I have to go back and do a final inventory count just to make sure my numbers are correct. But that can be done tonight. The earrings, hopefully they'll get done today or tomorrow. So I'll probably go to bed early so that I can get up earlier and finish these. But I appreciate everyone. Even if you can't buy, thanks for supporting and subscribing to my channel. And I think I'm going to sign off right here to keep this video short so that I can go take a nap and get back up. Yep. So thanks again, you guys.